Ready for your surprise?
Yeah.
All right.
Wow. That's very cool. Wow, look at all these two. Look at all these.
How many trains do you think there are there?
Hey. Hey, look at all these ones. Is this Ian? Hey, where's Clarabelle? Where's Clarabelle?
Clarabelle?
Yeah.
And she's probably in there somewhere.
Hey, where's Thomas?
Look, there's all the Thomases right there.
Oh, I want this Thomas.
What do you think about this? Look at all the new trains you have.
Oh.
Can you look at me?
Oh, I see.
Weston,
What?
look at me. Can you say thank you, Marianne?
Thank you, Marianne.
I love you.
Where's Marianne?
Marianne, she gave you all those trains.
Wow.
Look at them all. Can you name them?
No.
Weston, what's this one?
James.
And this one?
No, I don't want to.
All right.
I can't find Clarabelle. I can't find Clarabelle here somewhere.
Is this Clarabelle?
Yeah. Oh, there's Clarabelle. Hey, there's another Spencer. There's another Spencer. Why is there? Oh my God. Hey, Aries and Bert. Hey. Hey, Thomas is right. Oh, I like this Thomas. Who's this? Hey, what is this?
It's a car wash.
Oh,
Put the train down in there. Here, put Thomas in there. Watch. See, he stops and then press the red button. Whoa.
Whoa. Hey, what is this? What is it?
I think it's the mine. What do you think? Are you excited about all your trains? I think he is.
This can't go up. And he got one coach. Cover up. Hey, what is this?
Look at the other end. It's a rocket.
Yeah. Hey, what is this? What is this?
Let's see. The D199. I don't know. I don't think that's a Thomas one.
Hey, little pen.
What do you think? Are you so excited?
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Bye.